What's up, YouTube fam? It's April G Showers again. I had a request for El Diablo by Machine Gun Kelly. More upbeat Machine Gun Kelly, so I'm good. Hope he don't talk about him wanting to die in this one. Getting depressing. So, without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it. I've never heard this song, so this is a genuine reaction. And just a fun fact, I know everybody probably already knows, but El Diablo I know means the devil. I know some Spanish, so.
Tell all my competition that I love them, but I brought them back just to kill them again. Tell all the listeners that I said fuck them if they thought I'd never be breathing again. I keep some drinking the cup in case anyone got some more beef, I can eat them again. I made a promise to beat their ass up like a dinosaur, I'll meet them again.
Did he say if anybody's got some beef, I can come back and eat them again? Eat them, E-M-M. Is he still talking about Eminem, y'all? Or please tell me he's just talking in general. Please, because I was starting to like him.
Fuck your big bro. We the ones that got it when the rent's slow. I make it happen again. I'm back to rapping again. 808 slapping again. Light it and pass it again. Know what I'm packing again. I'm an assassin again. I shoot dice, yeah. Gamble with my life, yeah. No invites, yeah. Keep my circle tight, yeah. All my hoes, yeah. Keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the bros, yeah. I do nothing twice, yeah. I got a combination, knew a safe in the back of the bank that be storing my shit. Just had a conversation with a girl that I dated, now she already whoring and shit. I got a reputation to be going and showing up 4 in the morning and shit. I had an altercation down in Florida, I threw his face on the floor and shit. Fuck a bitch, though. Y'all ain't want us before we was rich, ho. I can't go back to the shit. I need to cancel and shit. I'm on some Dracula shit. I used to have to heat up pins of water to shower, but y'all don't know half of the shit. No. I shoot dice, yeah. Gamble with my life.
I used to have to heat up water to take a bath, and some chick he talked to is now out whoring, and none of the girls wanted him before, and now they want him now. That's what I heard.
Yeah, no invites, yeah, keep my circle tight, yeah. All my hoes, yeah, keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the bros, yeah, I do nothing twice, yeah. Diablo. Stop the debate if my name isn't mentioned in this generation. It's one of the greatest from lyrics to cadence. I chased the way rappers rock out on them stages. I saw people take it and they were more famous, so I ain't get credit. I had to be patient. I know people hate me just by my appearance. You motherfuckers can't be serious. Hey, I shoot dice, yeah, gamble with my.
Did he really start a different type of rap? Oh, no.
Life, yeah, no invites, yeah, keep my circle tight, yeah. All my hoes, yeah, keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the bros, yeah, I do nothing twice, yeah. I shoot dice, yeah, gamble with my life, yeah. No invites, yeah, keep my circle tight, yeah. All my hoes, yeah, keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the bros, yeah, I do nothing twice, yeah. Diablo.
The last album was like a year and a half ago. 2016. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Yeah. You've had a whole lot of shit happen in between. A whole lot of shit.
Okay. It was okay, y'all. It has a good beat, and I bet it really thumps in a car. I don't know if I'll add it. I don't know. I have to listen to a couple more times just to see, and I need to research it. Or y'all can tell me in the comments, was he referring to Eminem in that first verse? And eating Eminem or whatever, or killing Eminem or whatever. But and then to the fact that it's called Hotel Diablo, and then his diss to Eminem was Rap Devil, and Diablo means devil in Spanish. It kind of makes me think he's referring to Eminem, which, you know, just at this point it's been over a year. Just let it go. But I could be wrong. Maybe he's not. Maybe he's just generalizing all haters in general. I hope that's the case. Y'all please let me know. I like the beat. I like a couple lines in it. The thing about keeping his circle tight and stuff like that, I like that. But again, I'm going to have to listen to it a little bit more to see if it's worthy of going on my playlist. So, yeah. Just being very missed you guys. Okay. Please like, please subscribe to my channel. Again, comment below. If you need me or want me to react to something, I will. It does not have to be rap. I appreciate it. Peace out, y'all.